Hello, my name is Polina Iaremchuk, and today I'm presenting the AI-powered Commit Explorer in collaboration with some people from Belmont University, Florida State University, and Drexel University. So why good commit messages are important? Because they ensure to transfer a good commit information, useful descriptions of updates, and the long-term maintenance becomes much easier. So some cons is in order to write a good commit message, it may be really time consuming, and it's really often neglected by the software developers. So that's the reason why after creation of LLMs, there has been a trend where a lot of people started using LLMs for generating the commit messages, and right now um, a lot of researchers they study this commit messages generation. So that's why we have created the APECE tool that helps researchers and just users to create the generated messages, and also to uh, put some scores on the messages and understand if it's differs from human written messages, and how which ones are better than human written messages, and so on. So the next thing I want to talk about is the architecture of APES. The backend is written using Flask Python framework server. Database is written on MySQL and used to store data, and front end uses Next.js web development framework. The next I want to talk about is APES has three modules: the commit generation module, the backend module, and evaluation module. So commit generation module allows users to select repository, choose the commit, and generate the message. It also consists with commit generation agent and optional refinement agent. So the commit generation agent, it uses different approaches for commit generation, for commit message generation, as well as the user can include the optional refinement prompt using refinement agent to assess the quality of the first commit generation agent results, and in case they don't pass the checks, the refinement agent just generates a new commit message. The next thing is evaluation module, which uses metrics like Blue, Roche-L, and Meteor, and it compares the LLM generated messages to human written messages, as well as also collects human feedback and quality scores with text rationale. Next thing is the tool demonstration. So we start by viewing the Belmont University research consent form. Right now it's Belmont University, but it can be changed to any type of institution. The user prompts to accept the form and use their GitHub token and GitHub username to fetch the repositories. I have mine prepared, and I just paste it here, and I write my username. The next thing, the user can select a repository that they want to work with, which is mine will be serves. It opens up the commit timeline, and there are different commits. I opened the last one, which is create readme.md demo. I can see the commit differences and generate and click the generate commit message. Right now it may take some time, so I'm just opening the next window where the commit messages are already generated for this commit. So we can rate the AI generated commit messages. The first one we can see is the original commit message, and the user can click on the scores to rate the commit message and leave some type of rationale, as well as just looking through all the generated messages. Then submit the ratings, and it says that it's successful. And in the next window, we can, in the research view, switch to the research view and fetch the repositories, look at the submissions. You can also see that there are some scores over here of Blue Meteor and Roach L. Then we can view the prompts that were used for commit generation. We can click using or not using refinement prompt, as well as adding the new approach with this field over here at the new prompt, using the following optional references in the message. Also, we can view the refinement prompt that was used with all the criteria, and in case that the message fully meets the criteria, it will just leave the same message and output the first initial message. Then I want to talk more about the limitations and future work. Which is limitations is first of limitations is performance slows with large commit diffs. The same, the next limitation that we can see is the GitHub and the LLM API rates. They have limits, and therefore it may be beneficial to research some other types of ways of using either free LLM or maybe personal LLM. Some of the future work plans is the parallel processing. So it uses different AI prompts at the same time, caching and bulk dataset import, and separate modules for developers and researchers, and then incorporate additional evaluation metrics. Thank you so much, and this is it for today.